UW Law is one of the leading law schools in the country, and faculty and students who come here expect to have a classroom experience that is incomparable.
We emphasize that attendance is very important in law school, but there are very good reasons that students often need to miss: illness, family emergency, so on. And as a result, they need recordings to fill the gap in their information and make sure that they're able to access the important teaching that they may have had to miss. Student expectations in this day and age are that they're going to get high-tech, high-quality product, and that they need to have a seamless experience in the classroom. And as a result, knowing that they have to miss class, but they'll have this good, high-quality recording on the back end, helps them to feel comfortable that they're going to get the information that they need.
So over a 4-year period, we did renovations to all of our AV systems. The renovations included the addition of the Vaddio cameras, as well as AV bridges in all 55 of our classrooms.
We knew that we had to make an investment to have the best system possible, through which classes could be taped or through which information from outside sources could be presented. We wanted to make it a seamless process so that the technology that we use for audiovisual is totally integrated with the technology that we have for the rest of the law school.
Most of the rooms have multiple cameras, so we would have one in the front and one in the back. Some rooms have even more, like the moot court room. We have 4 cameras, and that gives us options in which we can feed video to either the recorder or to guests who are joining a meeting or a class. Students love the HD quality recordings that we're providing them. They have the ability to just look at slides, they have the ability to just look at video, or they can look at both at the same time on their screen. It's very crucial that our videos are as close to them being in the seat as possible. I like the AV bridge because it's user-friendly. It allows us to use our current AV system to bring a guest lecturer into the classroom via WebEx, Zoom, Skype.
Most of the faculty now use technology in the classroom, and it should be second nature for them to use technology in the classroom. So it's our job to make it be seamless for them to be able to use the technology and not even know what's going on behind the scenes. All they need to know is that it works and that it's a fantastic way to convey the information to their students.
I would recommend this solution to any school that is looking for a high-quality educational experience. Technology augments the learning environment, and we found that the Vaddio cameras can provide that quality of video that our students are looking for.